Hello everyone, it's Lynette with Charm Grammy Crochet. Today is Monday the 23rd of May, and this I believe is Charm Shader number maybe like 308. We have a few things to talk about today. Some of them I'll try to make as quick as possible. But first of all, I want to thank you all for joining me here in the yarn studio today. I know you have a lot of different choices, and so I appreciate the fact that you come in and see my videos. So that's what the giveaway was about, was, appreciation and having some fun. And I think people that played had a good time. I have to tell you, I want to talk to you real briefly about the crochet calendar for next month. I host a monthly crochet along from the Annie's crochet calendar 2022. And now I know most people don't have the calendar, so bearing that in mind, we take what the project is for the month, and you can make something similar if you don't have the calendar. If the project is a big project, you don't have to make the whole project. You can make something else. I had an Afghan and I made curtains. There was a purse that this month's project was a purse, really cute. Totally love it. No way in heck I was making that because you had to line it and stuff. There was no way I was doing that. I don't sew. So anyway, the next month's project is a blanket, and so a blanket might take a little bit of time if you want to get a jump start on it. You want to do the blanket and get a jump start. I'm totally 100% into that. I'm going to do that as well. I am planning on making the blanket this time. I think the blanket is really cute. But it is a square motif blanket. It's not a granny square. I mean, get a close look at that. That is some kind of shell stitch around maybe some double crochets or something. And then it's a join as you go border, which I totally love the border. I think it is so incredibly cute. Josh, you're not supposed to be making any noise. Anyway, forgive me for that. But with this project, it kind of tells you to you're going to join on row 4. So my plan is to make all the circles in the center, and then I'll do all the outsides, and then I'll join later. So I can take this to work and easily make, crochet some of these at work on my breaks. I really love the join. If you can get a good look at that, I think that's really cute. I hope I can figure out how to do that. And I'm going to do mine in red, white, and blue. My plan right now is to make all the colored parts red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, with the circle in the middle and the join in white. And then just alternate the squares. That's with red and blue. That's my... Because if you go white, if you use the white as a square and do a solid white one, then that's going to make that square look really big compared to the other ones with the white center and the white, and then the white join. So because I was going to do that and just go red, white, blue. But in giving it second thoughts, I think I'm just going to go red and blue with the white in between. So anyway, if you want to get a jump start and make the blanket, that's great. But just know to get a jump start, because it's, it might take you a while. And now this is in my way. I'll just put it on the floor. So, and you don't have to make a blanket, but do something that's, don't turn it one square and say, oh, I made a washcloth. No, you got to make it a decent sized project. So that's the first thing. And now that that's out of the way, you guys want to see what I got? I won a prize from Cindy at Freeze Baby Fiber, and she sent me it in this box. Now, she does a quarterly, I think it's quarterly, you submit pictures to her Facebook page of things that you made during the previous quarter, and you go into a drawing, and she draws a couple of names. So there were a couple of prizes, and don't screw up. I took a long time to do that. So I don't know what's in here. She said, I was the first name, I think, so I got my option. I said, you just send me what you want. I don't care. So this is my first look into, ooh, we got some fun stuff here, guys. Let me set this down because that's going to fall over. So let's see. I thought of you when I got this. Enjoy, Cindy. So she sent me a card from St. Augustine Lighthouse, Florida. Isn't that cool? Very nice. And let's see what's in here. I got some stuff. Ooh, coffee and tea. Cinnamon hazelnut coffee cake. Gourmet coffee. Cinnamon hazelnut, because she must know that I don't drink tea. So yay, that does sound good. Cinnamon hazelnut coffee. Ooh, that could be nice on a chilly night at the campground. And look, Cindy, did you make this? I love it. Let me see. Does it have a name? Who made it? It's so pretty. Look, it's got campers and trucks on it. There's do you see? Let's see. There's truck beds on this side. And tents. Oh, that is adorable. So cute. Okay, wait, there's a, oh, it's a Tea Doddles, it's a Tea Doddles bag. Look at that. I don't have any Tea Doddles bags. This is my first one. Look at how cute. Oh, I totally love it. Thank you, Cindy. I really and truly love it. This is a good go size bag for work. For the little projects that I like to take to work. This is a really good go size bag. And my to-go bag for work is getting a little worn. So I love this. Thank you so very much. And I love the fabric with the campers on it. It's so perfect. Adorable. Thank you. And then there's more. Oh, there's a set of hooks. Made in China. Red. They look like clovers. I know they're not clover, but let me see if I can open it. Oh, got it. I'll just grab one. A 7.5 millimeter. Wowza. Oh no, wait. Oh wait, no, it's a number 7. Oh, okay, it's a 4.5 millimeter. I thought that didn't look too big to be a 7, but look at that. That's nice. Yeah, I like it. I like it. I'm going to try this. Crochet, eat your heart out. I got red ones. And I'm loving... Oh, my goodness. Look at these. Are even cooler. These are fun. Rainbow ones. Now, this has like the flatter handle, and this has a circular handle. Oh, I got to get into this. Hold on. Look at that. I thought these were candies when I saw just the side of the package. I could just see like the handle parts, and I thought, oh, she sent me some candies. I'm like, cool. This isn't candy. This is crochet hooks. Oh, these are awesome. There's a whole bunch of them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. Oh, Cindy, thank you. These are so fun. I really love those. And there's more, guys. There's more. I got 3 mandalas in the color Ardenelle. Look at how pretty those are. Oh, I love those colors. This is really pretty. It's if you don't know, probably everybody knows that this is baby mandala, and it is a 3 weight, 5.3 ounces, 150 grams, 590 yards, 450 meters, 100% acrylic. And this is the colorway on it. You see how it works up? Can you see? Oh, wait. There, focus. Yay. Oh, I love that. It screams at me to do one of those blankets like I got here with those. And just let the colors flow. Oh, gosh. And there's 3 of them. I got 3, so yay. Oh, I love those. Definitely could make a real pretty shawl. Oh, I love it. I love it. Thank you so very much. And my new crochet hooks. And coffee. Oh, nice gift, Cindy. Thank you so very much. So now we have to talk about the drawing for the gifts. I am doing 4 winners. And I, during the live, I said, comment, and every comment gets you an entry. What I didn't realize, because, guys, I don't do lives that often. So all I can do is apologize for this, but I didn't realize that when you go to use the random comment picker, the comments from the live do not get included. So I was at a loss. I didn't know what to do, because I thought they intermingled with the comments that would come on after. And then I'm like, oh yeah, well, everybody always says go to the replay and make a comment. And I never even gave that a thought. I just thought, oh, this, so I can only apologize for that. So if you commented 100 times, what I did do is I just went through and wrote down everybody's name in the replay comments and in the live comments. I mean, in the, from the live comments on the replay, you could see the comments and the ones that have watched the video since, excuse me. And I just wrote down everybody's name, and I put them into a wheel name picker thing on my computer. And there are 44 names. So if you can win a prize, you one of 44. So you have 1 in 11 chances of winning. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So I wish everyone luck, and I just can only apologize. I wasn't even thinking. But you want to see what we're giving away. I have 4 prizes, and they're all very similar. They're not exactly the same. Oh, damn it. They're not exactly the same. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to say that. But they're very, very close. So I'm going to show you what everyone is going to get. First, everyone is getting a little notions pouch kind of thing. They're different pouches, they're different sizes, but it's going to be filled with stuff. When I started my YouTube channel, I started collecting things to throw in giveaways, little tchotchkes, little, things to go into the giveaways. And I have a bunch of those. And my plan is to, because shipping is so expensive on everything, I just want to mostly do gift cards, which I'm understanding people really do like getting that, because then you can go anywhere, you get gift card anywhere. I could buy one. I had Ingrid one, and she's in Australia. She took a gift card from a local yarn shop. So it saves me on shipping, and then you get to buy what you want. But I have all these little tchotchke kind of things I have to get rid of. So I'm throwing a lot of them into this giveaway. And they're nice things. I mean, I like them. But there's others too. So just bear with me. So you get this little llama that everyone is getting one of these that holds a picture. Just going to go through them real quick. You got some buttons. This is a thing you hang on your purse or backpack or that kind of thing. Just a little additive. There's some hand wash created by kind of thingies. There's a pin. Everybody's gonna get a pin. And a shawl pin. I've been collecting antique looking shawl pins. So it's a brooch or a shawl pin, whatever you want it to be. Everybody's getting those items, and mostly they're in they're in the bag. Don't have to leave them there, obviously. Everyone is getting some type of notebook or pad to keep your subjects, your projects in. Everyone is getting one of these Premier Yarns needle organizers, needles and notions organizers. They do show crochet hooks in there, so even though it says needles, you put all your stuff in it, fold it up all into one. I bought several of these when they were on sale, and I had 4 left, which is why I decided to do 4 on the giveaway, because I have 4, and I'm like, okay, everybody gets one of those. I have 4 of these, everybody gets one of those, and that's where I came up with 4 things. Everybody is getting some type of crafty thing, like a kit. So this is the Zootopia crochet kit in this one. There's a paint by numbers in one. There's some kind of loom kit in another. And the fourth one, I don't remember what it is, but I think it's a crochet kit like that, similar to that. And everybody is getting a 3-pack of yarn, different yarns, different colors. This one is upside down, Unforgettable Waves from Red Heart in the color Parade. So you'll get a 3-pack. I believe they're all in the original bags. And I have bags already numbered, so the first one gets the first bag, the first name that comes up. And then finally, the final gift is, remember I bought those lucky bags from Hobie with the Sultan cakes that came in it? Everyone is getting one of those. The one in this bag happens to be the brown one that Crystal would love so much. So that's what's in this package. Package number 1. And so I'm going to turn you around and we're going to do the little spinner thing. And if your name comes up, you get to be the first winner. So hold on while I readjust my stuff so that you can see in the spinny thing. And hold on just one second. Okay, so I think you got the whole spinner wheel thing on there. And all I have to do is tap it. And the first name that comes up wins bag number 1. And bag number 1 goes to Igor Knits. All right, Igor. So Igor, you're going to need to email me at charmedgrammycrochet@gmail.com. It will be in the description box below. Email me, and I'll need your address so that we can get this sent out to you. So we're going to remove Igor because you can only win 1 time. Now the next bag is just going to be bag number 2. And like I said, they all have similar stuff. So here we go. Winner number 2 is, Jane Daniel. All right, Jane. Again, all the winners will need to email me. And I'll need your address and contact information. So we're going to remove Jane. I think I muted this thing because I think it actually has sound. Let's try this. Let's go for number 3. Oh, see? Sam from Manthea Makes. Awesome, Sam. I thought it was going to come up on mic. Okay, Sam, you're done and you don't get to win again. I get 1 more winner. Anita at YOH Crochet. All right, everyone. Those are the winners for the 4 bags of goodies. Thank you all. Let me just turn you back around here. I just want to thank you all for participating and hanging out with me and my daughter and granddaughter for the evening the other day, watching the replay. Well, it's just short. I lowered it so you can see the computer, and now that's it. So anyway, I just want to thank you all for being part of my yarn family. Congratulations to the winners. Please contact me via email ASAP, and I will get your packages out to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.